back to All Things with Tips. So if you are new to my channel, welcome. And if you are returning, thanks so much for your support. Welcome back. So today I will be doing a review, and I also wanted to kind of ash out the wig that I purchased. I actually purchased it from Hermosa Hair. This is actually a Hermosa wig that I purchased off of Amazon. But this new wig that I purchased it off of the Hermosa Hair website. I'll put a picture here. I'll try to. So this wig is like a 427. Its shoulder length is a 14-inch wig, and it is a 13 by 4 lace. It's a body wave wig. And here it is. Not sure if you can see it. So you can see the wave, and you can also see that 427 color in it. But I wanted to ash it out because it's a little bit too gold for me. So I wanted to use the T18, the Wella. This ashes my natural hair out really well. So I am going to try to ash it out, and then I'm going to see what happens, and then I'll go ahead and apply and give you all my full review. I purchased another wig with this, similar to this one. It just has a water wave, and it was 13 by 4. But I purchased the other wig for $189, and I actually got this wig for free, so it was a pretty good deal. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'm going to try to include this process in here so that you all can see me go through the process and how it turns out. So I'll be back with you guys. If you have not already, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to this video. And if you enjoy it, make sure you share it with your friends. Anyways, guys, I'm going to go ahead and get started. I'll see you guys in just a moment. Hey guys, so I'm just going to go ahead and start mixing my toner. It calls for 1 part toner, 2 parts developer. So I use my 20 volume developer by Ion. It's a cream developer. So I go ahead and get that all mixed in together, and then I go ahead and apply the wig to my mannequin. And I just section off the hair in 4 sections, and then I'm just going to take it piece by piece and add the toner to each piece of hair. And I just try to get it on the hair as much as I can. I try to saturate the hair from the root until the end. And I just did this all over until I was completely done. Once I got done with the whole head, I just made sure I put the rest of that toner. I wanted to use every drop that I had. And then I just go in and just comb it all through, guys. And once I comb it all through, I'm actually just gonna do her like I would do myself and add a plastic cap, and I'm gonna sit her under the dryer. And I got this cool new little portable dryer thing. It's like my best friend, and when I dried her hair with it, it dried it super fast. So I definitely recommend that. I'll put the link in the description if I can find it. So after I put her in the dryer, I shampooed her like I would normally shampoo her, with the neutralizing shampoo, regular shampoo, and conditioner. And this is what it looks like. Okay guys, so this is what it came out to. As you can see the lighter parts. They did ash out, but I accidentally left it on too long because I got tied up in something, and so it did lift the darker parts as well. But I'm just gonna work with it, and we'll see how it turns out. So I'm just gonna go ahead and apply it really quick, and then I think I'm gonna cut it into a bob, and we will see how it turns out. So I'll be back. If you haven't already, make sure you go ahead and like and subscribe to All Things with Tip. I also put all of the links to the products and to the wig below, and any tools that I use. So make sure you check out the description below. I'll be right back. All right, guys. So I'm just going in here with the wig spray. It works better than the glue for me, and it also holds better. The glue typically slides back on the cap and it brings out my hair. So I like using the spray a lot better. I still do have the cap on, but I just have it slid back just a little, and I try to spray around my edges, not too much on my hair. And I usually just take alcohol to get it off, and it comes off pretty easy. Alright guys, so I'm going to go ahead and finish cutting the lace. I'm going to go ahead and cut the wig like I want it. And I'm going to go ahead and style it, and then I'll be back with you guys to give my full review. So be back with you guys. If you haven't already, go ahead and like and subscribe. Thank you so much for staying to this point, and I appreciate your support. I'll be right back with you guys. Okay guys, so this is the finished look. I was nervous about this, to be honest, but I love it. I love the way it turned out. The wig was I do like the hair on the wig. Only thing that I wish I would have known is it is like one of those compact 13x4 lace front, so it kind of stops like right here, so I wasn't able to really part it too far back like I wanted it to, but I still think that it turned out great. I did love my first Hermosa wig, and I love this one. I love the other one that I also purchased. I think it looks good. Was a little shading, but probably because they had, you know, bleached it, and then I went back second time and lightened it. I also added some purple shampoo to it after I put the toner, the T18 toner on there. And this is it. This is my cut. It was down here. It was good length, but I just wanted something different, and I think I gave myself what I needed. Like, this is, I love how this looks. I love a good bob. Let me turn around in the back so you guys can see. Just something that I can play with. As you can see, the ash blonde highlights in there. And yeah, this is it. So I do recommend the Hermosa wig. It was definitely easy to apply. It was definitely a perfect size for my head. Don't really have any shedding. Looks good. Here's the lace. I did have a little bit difficult time with the lace, but overall it was a good purchase. Like I said, I got a buy one get one free deal, and it was definitely worth the price, so I would definitely purchase it again. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you again so much, guys. Make sure you support me. Make sure you share, like, and subscribe to my video. It does not cost you anything to like, subscribe, or share. I appreciate you guys. I hope that you guys are staying safe and healthy out there. Continue to be blessed, and just be thankful for everything. We woke up this morning, so we have so many things to be thankful for. Continue to be blessed, and I'll see you guys in the next video. You know what it is. Peace.